right, I'm sitting on a Yaasa Studios mattress, and underneath me I have the Yaasa Studios adjustable bed. This adjustable bed is unique to the market in that it looks different, it assembles different, and all around it's just a solid build. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift up the mattress to give you a peek of what it looks like. It's these wood frames that rest on a steel base. And it has a pretty small footprint because the legs actually are in towards the middle of the bed. And the way it works is you just screw the planks onto the base itself. It's got a metal retainer bar so the mattress doesn't slide off. Retail price on a queen size adjustable Yaasa Studio bed is $12.99, but there are some discounts available at certain times of the year. Now, a few overview of the bed. It comes shipped in 2 boxes, so it comes shipped to your door. You don't need to worry about a big delivery company or anything like that. And what you can do is you can set it up yourself. It probably takes about 45 minutes from beginning to end to set up. But once you set it up, it's pretty easy to disassemble. So if you live in an apartment or if you move a lot, it's something that you can disassemble, reassemble later and take with you. The remote itself is actually backlit. Obviously I can't show that now, it's pretty bright outside, but when you push a button it will light up so you can see what you're doing. It has a one-touch flat, one-touch zero gravity mode. You can pre-program 2 settings if you'd like. And it's pretty quiet, so what we'll do is we'll just push up the foot here, and you can just kind of see how that operates. We can even do the setting, and this is going to put us into a zero gravity mode. So as you can see, this mattress has springs and foam, but it works just fine. This mattress itself also comes in a box. A good rule of thumb is any mattress that comes in a box is going to work on an adjustable bed, and that's just about all the mattresses that we review on sleepsherpa.com. Now, you don't need to buy the Yaasa mattress to get the base. You can buy the base separately. The base does come with a 10-year warranty, so they do stand by the product. And it's a very affordable, very durable base. This company has a strong background in building adjustable beds. So a lot of good things with this mattress. You can also see that it comes with a USB port on the side. So each side has a USB port. So if you want to charge your phone, charge a tablet, you just put it right in there. No need for it to take up space on your nightstand. The other thing I should mention is the head will actually kind of stay towards the wall. So it's not going to kind of push away. What happens is this whole track will slide this way, and you'll just stay here, so you're not going to lose track of your nightstand. You're not going to all of a sudden be over here and your nightstand's going to be back there. So great, convenient, versatile, durable, just about anything you could ask for in an adjustable bed, and it's an excellent price point. So more information on the Yaasa Studios adjustable bed can be found on sleepsherpa.com.